सब्सक्राइब कीजिए गैजेट्स वर्ल्ड टीवी को और बेल आइकॉन दबाएं ताकि ऐसी नई वीडियो सबसे पहले आप देख सके।
We are unboxing new launch of a mobile phone, that's of Maplane Mac 4 series, and the model is Max, as you can see in front of me. It's a 5G phone. Let's have a look on the review on the basic details. This is made by Maplane India, as you can see it on the box. And the month and the year of manufacturing is June 2001. The number, their WhatsApp number, their customer care number, contact details. And now we'll just have a look on the specification. This phone is BIS certified, as you can see, and the display of the phone, this is a 6.53 inches IPS display, and this have a camera of 13 megapixel front and the 13 megapixel rear camera. This is 4GB 64GB phone, and expandable memory up to 128GB, and it support an operating system of Android 8.1 Oreo. This have a big battery of 5000 mAh with a network support of 5G, 4G and the VoLTE network, and it have a CPU of MTK 6737 quad-core, and this have a dual SIM. This will support the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and there are a lot of other features of this when we switch on the phone. And now we'll look at contents. In the box we find a charger. This is a 2 ampere charger of Maplane. This comes with a back cover. This comes with a screen guard. Normally the company installed the screen guard on the phone, so when you open the phone you will find the screen guard already installed. And this comes with a micro USB wire pin for the SIM slots, and this is a new thing that you can see. It comes with a thank you, or you can say a feedback form. This is the first time we have seen this type of thing. Now we'll just have a look on the colors of the phone. This comes in two colors. It looks like a rainbow colors, as you can see, of the blue, and the black is also like a steel gray color you can see in the lights, and it have a different shade. Focusing on the light with a fingerprint sensor, camera look on the back side. This have a dual speaker on the back side with a micro charging point. On the front side it have a 3.5 mm jack for the audio. Now we just have a performance of the phone, and first have a look on this phone. This comes with 6.53 full HD display. In the hand it is quite handy, though with a such big screen it is really handy, as you can see here. And secondly, it is not so heavy. I will be expecting for 5000 mAh battery it will be much heavier, but I am having the weight of the phone is below 200 grams, as you can see in front of me. This comes with a one touch display, you can see it here. And secondly, this is a Panda glass, as you can see this phone. Now we'll just have a look on the settings and the other things of the phone. About phone, this phone is showing that it supports the Android version of 8.1, and the processor is quad-core. RAM is 4GB, device storage is 64GB. Out of that 52GB is available, 12GB is been consumed in the system. And this is the model number is MAP 4 series, and the model number is Max. We'll just have a look on the other things like the storage and the memory. And it have a storage of 64GB, and applications for the memory is saying it have a 4GB. Out of that 3.3GB is still free. And this comes with lot of pre-install apps, as you can see here. Now we'll just have a look on the performance of the camera. First of all, the focus is fast comparatively. Now we'll just try to have a look on the quality of the picture. First of all, the depth is okay. Now we'll just try to have a look on the selfie camera. Even on the wider look, the colors are bright and true, as you can see. Selfie camera is also okay. If they have a selfie flash also, this will be much better. I think the only thing I don't like in this phone, it don't have the selfie flash. But overall the looks are very slim, handy, you can see. And this, now we'll just have a look on the audio and the video quality of this phone. The display size is good. It supports full screen for the audio and the video plays. The audio quality is quite clear. Now we will have a gaming experience of this phone. For the gaming experience was really nice. It was working really good, and it supports the screen, the function, the processor, and it really we play the game, it doesn't hang because of the processor or because of the RAM. It was really going good. We have also tested this phone for the online conferencing, e-classes, for the students, for the gaming. These are real awesome to use this phone in these types of things. These are the daily uses after 2020. Check with the SIM tray. This has 3 slots, as you can see, 2 for the nano SIM cards, 1 for the TF card for the expansion of the memory up to 128 GB. And in this phone, the body is made up of polycarbonate, as you can see on the back side. It was a really shiny body. In this phone, we checked a lot of some good features, like we have the enable display is enabled with clear vision. It also has the split screen function, and it also supports other types of applications we use normally in our offices. It also have support with the turbo download. Overall, we can say the performance of the phone, camera, other features for the use in our daily life is good. So as per the warranty policy, we have checked, this comes with a different warranty policy for the accessories as well as on the phone and the software and the package. Once you buy the phone, please go with the warranty terms carefully, and this comes with the no question asked return policy. In case you want to return the phone in a limited time span, no question will be asked to you and the phone will be returned by the company. I hope you like this unboxing video. Thanks for watching this video.